I want my man to be able to see himself in my lips, okay? I like to lay him thick. Thick with a Q. Material girl. Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here, and I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the LYS GLAM party, okay? And if you are not new here, welcome back, friend. I'm so glad to see you again. So in today's video, obviously as you can tell by the title, we are getting into a full face of LYS beauty. Pretty much a full face, like probably like 85 to 90% of a full face. Shout out to LYS Beauty. They did send me over some goodies. Thank you all so much. I'm so excited to dip into these products. Now, if you're not new here, then you have seen me use LYS Beauty products. I purchased their foundation back at the launch. Like, absolutely love the foundation. It does give a nice dewy finish. So if you're into that summer glow, baby, then this is the foundation for you, okay? And then I also had their bronzer and their cream blush. So your girl is not new to this, she true to this, okay? So these products I have actually never tried. Let me show y'all what I got. Oh, look at Miss Tisha, y'all. She is the CEO, the owner, the founder. This is Miss Tisha, honey. Miss Tisha Thompson. Absolutely love LYS Beauty. Like, literally stands for love yourself. You know, we all about that over here on this channel. This product I was so excited to try because y'all know I love glowy skin. Like, when I don't wear makeup, I want to look pretty much like I just ran a marathon. Like, I want to be super glowy and glistening. Like, I like to look greasy, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm into anything, any serums, any oils, anything that's going to give me a lot of slip on my skin. So let's get into it. This is the Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum, period, with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And as we can see, we are working on our skin. Y'all, actually just watched an old video from years ago on my channel today. I think it was like 7 years ago. I don't remember, but it was a very old video. And y'all, if you're not new here, then you remember when my skin was way worse than it is now. Like, of course I still have a lot of hyperpigmentation and acne scarring that I'm trying to get rid of, but back then, baby, I looked like a leopard. Like, I really was giving off Cheetah Girls, Cheetah-licious. I'm just so thankful at how far my skin has come, and I can't wait to see, you know, how I can continue to progress in my skin journey. This is the Think Bright Serum. Like, look at how pretty that is. The packaging is always like top tier when it comes to LYS. They love the triangle theme, so everything is pretty much triangular prisms. Absolutely love it. It's so cute. I have not done my skincare yet, so I'm really excited to put this on. And y'all see, I'm crusty mouth, so let's get into the next product. Now, this product, baby, I'm so excited to have this because when the brand launched on Sephora's website, oh, by the way, LYS is the first Black-owned clean beauty brand to be sold on Sephora, so period. Let's give it up for my girl. When this first launched on Sephora's website, baby, y'all ate it up. So I was not able to snag one of these. So I'm really excited to try it out today. And I need something on my lips right now. I have not done any skincare. Like, I'm fresh out the shower, no skincare whatsoever, no chapstick, nothing, baby. So this is the Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. And now the girls is eating this up. Like, so I'm very excited to try this. Let's just go ahead and put some of this on now, because we need it, clearly. I'm forgetting my mirror. Where's my mirror? Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me just use my phone. Oh my God. The applicator, like the formula? Yeah, I'm blown away. So, no tea, no shade, but y'all, if y'all have been watching my recent vlogs, y'all will remember the most recent lip balm that I picked up from Sephora, and I told y'all I ain't like it. I said, Don't run and go get this if you want super glossy lips. Like for me, it's not glossy enough. It's more pigment than it is high shine, and I like something that's high shine. And this is exactly what I'm looking for. This is the exact shine. The like, you see how the lights is hitting it, and I can see the reflection of the lights in my lips. Like that's, I want my man to be able to see himself in my lips, okay? Whenever I get a man, but I digress. Anyway, I want you to be able to see your reflection in my gloss, and that's what this is giving. So, and that it's a treatment at the same time, baby. Yeah, Miss Tisha did her big one, not the little one, okay? I got a lip liner because we're gonna be getting into a full look today, and y'all know I love me a nude lip. So I went with the lip liner in the shade Soulful. So this is like one of their brown shades. They have several, I think it was maybe 2 or 3 brown shades, but this one was kind of like the medium. It wasn't the super light one, but it wasn't the darkest. Love that color. That's exactly what I wanted it to be, exactly what I was looking for. So yeah, very excited. Oh, I can't get over this lip oil. Okay, so let me just show y'all what else I got so we can get into the look. I also got a concealer because, like I told y'all, I already have had the foundation. So when the foundation first came out, my literal like request was, can we please get a concealer? Because I just didn't feel right putting any of my other concealers on with this foundation. Like, this just felt like magic, and it just felt like she needed her own moment. I wanted her to have a matching concealer. And look at what we got. We have a matching concealer. So I got the concealer in the shade DG3, which I'm assuming stands for like deep golden 3 or dark golden, you know, something to that effect. And this is the swatch. It's a perfect color. It's gonna be great for my under eye area. Not too bright, but a perfect shade. A perfect shade. I also got the pressed highlighter powder. This is in the shade Aim High. I'm trying to give y'all full cheeks because I already have the bronzer. I've had the bronzer for quite some time, which I love. So I'm like, we gotta give a full cheek moment, you know what I'm saying? Like, not me too excited and can't even open the packaging good. Like, I done ripped the box up, child. I'm just excited. This is what the compact packaging looks like. Super cute. You can't even really tell that it's rose gold because all the lights I have on, but it's a beautiful like mirrored rose gold color. Like, I can literally see myself through the compact. Look at the highlighter, y'all. Look at that. Can we just get into it? Get into the material. Material girl. Absolutely love it. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my God. Okay, so let's get into the look. Like I said, I have not done my skincare. This is completely just like clean skin out the shower. She is beautiful. Okay, y'all, so this is what the serum looks like. It honestly is just so pretty, just as a product in general. It looks really good on the skin. Child, y'all might hear right, okay? But look at the glow it gives me. Like, this is what I was talking about when I say I want to look greasy. I want to look like I just ran a marathon. I want to look glowy at all times. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Like, look. And to me, greasy is not a bad thing, okay? Like, I like when I look glowy. And this is exactly what I'm looking for in the serum. Like, that slip. I want that slip on my skin. Y'all have seen me wear this foundation before, so this is nothing new to y'all. So y'all excuse my bottle. She been through it because she really be coming through for you, girl, okay? Y'all, it literally feels like butter going on the skin. Like, y'all can see that glow, so I ain't even gotta tell y'all. Child, please. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this foundation is considered medium buildable coverage, I believe. But y'all know me, I'm a full coverage princess, so we're gonna get full coverage out of our products, okay? But do you see how like it's just giving like healthy glowy skin? Like, love that for us. Let's go ahead and get into the concealer. I am going to go ahead and apply this in my highlighted areas and let it kind of set while I do my brows. And y'all, I know there's a whole like clean girl aesthetic or whatever you want to call it going on Instagram and on TikTok and all that stuff, but baby, I like to wear a lot of concealer. I don't play those types of games. We like a mug over here, okay? People just do the little dab here and a little dab there. For some people, a dab will do you, but for me, I like to lay them thick with a Q. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit like I said, and then I'm gonna fill in my brows because I like my concealer to really keep all its coverage. That's a trick. Like if you blend it away right away, like you're gonna kind of blend all of it, the coverage away too. Yeah, I need to clean my mirror off so I can actually see in it. Like, come on, girl, gotta get on your Zoom. That TikTok is so funny to me. Y'all know me, I be going in directly with my wand. I just like it that way. On myself personally. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some underneath my contour as well. I haven't even contoured yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply the concealer. There were, of course, multiple concealer shades, and I was kind of torn on which color I should get because there were so many options that looked like they could work for me. And that's a good problem to have when you're shopping for makeup. Like, you don't want to shop for a makeup brand and you're like, dang, like none of this stuff looks like it's gonna work for me. Like, I only have one possibility, one possible option. That was not the case. Like, there were like 3 shades that I was like, like which one? It may be even more than 3. There were several shades and I'm like, which one is gonna give me truly the under eye color I'm looking for? So I had so many options to choose from. This is the one that I went with. I'm gonna use one of my brushes from my Temu video to blend out my concealer. Like, if you have not seen that video, go check it out because I got some really good products in that haul. I just feel like it's only right to do a cream contour along with these super just hydrating and glowy products. Like, we can't just go straight in with the powders like this now. We gotta do the cream. Now my memory card about to be full. What, free? Yeah, I need more memory cards. What's going on? I look like a glowy princess and I love that for me. Don't you love that for us? Y'all, the skin is skinny. Like, please don't talk to me. Like, don't, if you ain't talking LYS, I don't want to talk. This looks so good. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything and we'll be back. All right, I'm first going to kind of set my contour in place with some mineralized skin finish. Before we go in with that contour, because the contour, like the bronzer that I got from LYS a long time ago, y'all, this was a blind buy. Like, I just ordered it straight offline. Like, I hadn't even seen the brand in person. Like, I was just excited to shop with the brand. So the bronzer shade that I ordered is not like truly the shade I need. It's quite dark for me. This is it, and I have it in the shade No Limits. So, like, y'all, come on, be for real. What was I thinking? I was just excited, okay? And plus, a lot of them were sold out, I think. But I was just excited. But I mean, I can still make it work. It's just definitely, I gotta tread lightly. You just gotta be careful, see? It's fine. You just gotta be careful. You gotta build it up. You gotta build the suspense. Keep the girls guessing. You know what I'm saying? Like, child, y'all, he's back there having the time of his life. Once I add, see how I warm my cheeks up first though, and I'm gonna add some blush and the highlighter, and then it's gonna be just fine. Y'all, we haven't even done eyes yet. Am I doing eyes today? Because y'all know me. I love a little just clean foundation finish. Y'all, get into this face. I just love a good blush because honestly, y'all, I used to not wear blush. All right, let's get into this highlighter right quick, shall we? So, like I said, I got the shade Aim High. I'm very excited to use this, child. We're just gonna flip our blush brush on the other side. And this brush is also from Temu. Oh, baby. Oh. Please, get it. Get it. Be for real. Look at that, y'all. Like, I'm gonna put it all over. I wanna wear this as foundation. Okay, so y'all, I finished setting my face and everything off camera. I am now, and I did my eyes off camera. I forgot. The battery died, and girl, I had to just get this look done because I actually have somewhere to go today. So, the eye look is honestly nothing special at all. Like, this is literally just a crease color and a lid color, okay? Like, very simple, just add a little color to the eyes for the sake of the video, okay? So I'm going to finish off with a little Fix Plus and some setting spray, some Urban Decay All Nighter. I should have done that before my mascara, but it's okay. Just gotta fan it down really quickly. See how that skin came back? It's not giving powder, it's giving skin again. All right, let's get into this lip. I'm gonna take off the lip oil that I already have on so we can do our lip liner. So let's get into it. I love a good new lip. It's definitely a smooth glide. I did not get a lipstick from LYS, so I definitely wanna go with the lip oil on top, but I feel like I need a little color on my lip too. Just add a little color and then we're gonna go on with the oil on top. I'm gonna use my finger because I don't want brown liner on the oil dispenser. Maybe. Oh my God. I probably put too much, but y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more highlighter. Y'all, please. Don't put it on like you're scared of it now. So pretty. Oh my God. Get into the glow. I love this. I don't even have on lashes and I feel so pretty. The look is so soft. It's giving everyday glam. This is pretty much the routine I do for every makeup look on myself. But if I were to go more glam, I would do more on the eyes and a false lash, of course. But the skin routine is my usual, okay? This is my everyday, my go-to look. And I've been digging no lashes lately, which is so crazy because I never thought I would see the day. But absolutely love it. So let's just get into the mug, child. Yes, and the glow, like I can't get over it. Look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it. LYS. You did it again, baby. You do it every time for me, okay? Thank you all so much for watching this video. Once again, thank you to LYS for sending me over some products. I really appreciate the love. So y'all make sure you check out LYS. I will have all the products linked down below that I have so you can, you know, shop LYS too, okay? Link it for your shopping pleasure. And thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all of the things because girl, we are almost at 10K, okay? The way I predicted, we're gonna hit 10K by the end of May or at least somewhere close to it. We have less than 500 subscribers to go. So that's less than 500 sister girls to go. So hit the subscribe button, sis. Like, join the team. I know you love it here. It's a vibe every time. So hit the subscribe button and tell all your homegirls. Drop the link to this video in your group chat. Tell them to come holler at me, okay? But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I know I said that a million bajillion times, but I really just want to say thank you. Especially to everyone that has been here thus far. Like, y'all been riding for your girl. Y'all been riding for me. And I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace and love.